everyone, welcome to my channel. I am here to do a pattern review on the bag. It's the Mysa Crossbody bag by Bagstock Designs. Before I get started, I wanted to let you know that I sew on a domestic machine. I sew on an Elna Experience 550. I do my pattern reviews to help others who sew on domestics if they're looking to see if they can do that on their machine. I like to do these because I feel like if someone is looking for an opinion, like if you're looking for a couple of people that made the bags and you want to see, you know, a couple of people's opinions that to help you decide, that's what I hope these reviews do for you. Anyways, so the Mysa Crossbody, I love this bag. I loved it so much, I made 3 of them. So I have 3 little Mysa Crossbodies. So that's my 3 bags. I made them in different substrates, materials. I did 2 with the front being a cotton fabric in the front on 2 of the bags. And then I did 1 which is all vinyl or vinyl faux leather. These are actually considered more of a faux leather. It's a little higher than your typical vinyl. Nothing against the vinyl, but these are a little different. This is like the more faux leather, and this is a Sally Tomato croc faux leather with the texture. Geez Louise, texture front, and it's a thicker faux leather. So just so we can go ahead and start with this one. So this is a thicker faux leather. I forgot what her how thick it is, but it's got a nice backing on it. Oh, I thought I had a piece here. I do. So this is her the faux leather here. So this is the front and this is the back. So it's a nice little heavier weight faux leather on this one. And then the Mora, this Mora that I get at Emmeline Bags. This is real soft. It's like buttery when you sew it, so the needle goes through it really well. So I was able to construct this bag, the seams and everything, even the zipper pocket with my domestic. It was really easy. This bag comes together really well. I would recommend this to be, I mean, she's got advanced beginner on her pattern, which I'd say definitely. The big thing to remember, especially if you're an advanced beginner and you're not used to, you've only done a few gussets, just be careful with your gusset because the way your gusset it comes in, and then when you put your zipper on the bag, because the zipper is sewn straight to the bag, there is no placket. So when you sew your gusset on it, part of your gusset becomes the front and the back of your bag. That's how she designed it. I thought that was really cute, especially if you do your gusset in a different color. You've got something different on the front. This is relatively easy to sew. Just follow the pattern. There is a Kasaya from Kasaya Swag. She has a video tutorial on this. I would recommend you watch it, especially if you're an advanced beginner. You can see. Others have them out there. Jess from Oakland Roots, she's got one as well. I'll go ahead and put out their names of their YouTube channels. I'm trying to do links so you could go straight to them, but right now all I can advise is copy and paste. If you do that, I'd appreciate that. Didn't have any difficulties. If you're an advanced beginner and you're not used to sewing the zippers on the bags like this and putting it together, just watch the videos and be real careful and mindful of where you gotta start your zipper and stop your zipper. There is a stopping point that you have to do on the zipper, and as well as where you start your zipper at. Be very close attention to that in your tutorial. Now the sides, I'd use these cute little D-rings. Actually, I got them from Saya Swag. They're like little D-ring things that I put on there instead of strap holders. But there is Namrata, and I hope I said her name right. She does have it in her pattern. If you not want to use these and you just want to use just your basic strap connector, you can do that as well if you don't want to do the extra hardware. It's really hard to see on this one, the hardware. Here we go. See, I did little D-rings on the sides of my bags, and it makes it a little easier just to install the little D-rings. This one, again, this one is fabric. That was easy. Obviously, And then this was made with the same Namora faux leather. So this came together real nice. It's a nice soft bag. You can either do foam or Pellon's Thermalome. I did the Thermalome. It's not as puffy as the foam, but it still gives you a nice soft bag. And it makes it easy to sew. Just be careful if you're worried about seams. You can always keep it out of your seam allowance, the foam, because I think I got it in a couple of them. And it's not that it was difficult to sew. It just makes it, you just have to be careful when you go over that. This one was made out of regular, just of a vinyl, a real good vinyl, and then cotton in the front. So that was really easy to sew. So overall, and then she's got her pockets, your standard pockets on the inside. So that makes it real easy. It is a birth bag, so just be mindful of that when you do that. Make sure you're able to do that. I struggle anymore but that's my hands. I have some arthritis in my hands, so I do struggle with birthing bags anymore. So be mindful of that. Again, it's great for an advanced beginner. I'd say even if you're a beginner and you're wanting to challenge a little bit of your skills, I think this would be a great bag because it's not overly difficult to go around the gusset, around the curves of the bag, because it's a nice gradual curve. It's a nice, really pretty shaped bag. So that's my review on the Mysa Crossbody by Bagstock Designs. I hope you go out and get your pattern and make one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe if you like these type of videos, and also go ahead and like the video as well. Again, if you like these type. And then if you could turn on your notification bells, that will let you know when I come out with more pattern reviews. Also bags for sale. I go into showing the whole bag when I do it for sale. And then I may come up with some new things. I've got new things planned for my channel. Thank you so much, and you guys have a good day. Bye.